Good day guys, this is Hassan and welcome to Cad Gizmo. Friends, in this video we will discuss the system variable of AutoCAD, DIMATFIT. So guys, let's start the video. And before I start the video, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see the latest updates. Friends, DIMATFIT system variable we use to manage the dimension text with respect to the object. By default, DIMATFIT system variable set on value 3 and the values used in this variable are 0 to 3. First we draw an object. Like this and make the offset like this, and if we check the dimension, 1 unit. Now if I reduce the width and make the offset 0.5 unit like this. Now if I put the dimension, here you can see the dimension text placement is inside and the arrows placement is outside, and in this system variable we see these changes. DIMATFIT system variable and press enter. By default it's set on 3 value. First we set it on 0 and press enter. On 0 value, placement of both the text and arrow outside the extension line like this. Like this, the text and the arrows are outside the extension line. Now if I change the DIMATFIT value to 1, now it moves the arrow first, then the text like this. The text is inside and the arrows outside. Now if I change the value 2 and press enter, in this it moves the text first, then the arrow like this. And if I put the value 3 and make the dimension like this, in this value 3 the placement of text and arrow with respect to best fit. So guys, this is the system variable DIMATFIT. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please leave a comment, and guys, if you have any question related to AutoCAD, then please contact me on WhatsApp. So guys, take care of yourself and see you soon in the next video.